to si Bad Panda. Tapos si Ma'am Joanne. Dagdag entry din yan. Malay mo, malay ko. Do you believe in love at first sight? No. I don't believe. I admire when I first saw that person. I admire, oh, he's good, he's like that. But in love at first sight, no. Hindi ako maliligo. Huwag ka ding mag-shave para mahaba yung bulbul mo at mabunot ko yung bulbul mo. No allowed shave, okay? Lahat kayo, don't shave. Don't shave. Pang victims of love to gabigan ni victims of love. Good. I just think people have love and intimacy mix, but but not all. Most of the people also they believe love at first sight. But me, I don't believe love at first sight because I've never experienced that one. I admire when I first saw that person, but love, no. Love is not easily give.